Hi, I'm from Slovenia and I've heard about the festival actually from the website where you could apply for volunteering last year, and so I did that and I applied and I got in for the NGO sector and I loved it. And I also love Novi Sad because it's so cute and so vibrant and a lot of tourists come here, so it's really nice. And I decided to come here this year to work again as a volunteer and I'm so looking forward to it. The festival itself is really nice because it's laid back. You don't have any special restrictions. You can, just party and have a good time. And lineup this year is really nice. I think it's kind of funny that they went back in time with some of the bands, like Guns N' Roses and Duran Duran. It's really funny, but at the same time they incorporated some really good people. Like for Dance Arena, I'm so looking forward to Dance Arena. So I think it's gonna be another awesome festival.
I'm from Atlanta, Georgia, which is in the U.S. Heard about it from my cousin at MTV. He said it's like the best festival in Europe, so come out. So I was like, okay. I looked online and then decided to come out here. So it's pretty good. I like it. It's like a lot of people, a lot of cool people, like a lot of people just hanging out, having fun. So, and they all love music, so it's good.
Vsi, ki se hočete prijaviti za prostovoljstvo drugo leto, naredite to, ker je to najboljša stvar, kar se vam lahko zgodi. Hvala.